Hey, howdy, hey. Welcome, first and foremost, to the channel. I am Manny Cologne, that is, but we'll just stick with Manny for now. I'm just here to share the information that I've learned over the years, and I'm still learning, I'm still going, still creating, striving to be great, and just like you all are. Let's be a service of. I gotta edit all that out. Let's be a service to one another and grow together, because it's enough money in this world for everybody to eat. I truly believe that. And me personally, I don't like people who gatekeep. I wish that everybody was well off, whatever that means to them. Whether it be spiritually rich, financially rich, rich in creativity, whatever you choose to do. Let's all learn together. Got my little James Harden figure right here, man. But I got a couple ways. If you're low on cash and you're looking to make some money without spending no money, you know the saying, it takes money to it takes money to. I think I'm saying that all wrong. You gotta spend money to make money. I don't necessarily believe in that for real. I mean, it's ways around it, right? So first up, my first way of making some financial currency, if you will. And y'all probably might already know this. Y'all see the tabs open. But we got some surveys, if it's one thing that we do have on this earth, it's time. We've been blessed with time. Whether you're working a 9 to 5 job or some others don't have to do that, but you do make time for the TikToks and the Instagrams and the YouTube videos and the Netflix. So why not make money while you're, instead of scrolling, instead of watching TV? Why not make some bread on the side that you could put toward whatever? And it's no money up front. This ain't a paid video, by the way. Like, I'm not sponsored or like this. Now, if an advertisement pops up, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna need some reimbursements. I'm gonna need some coin from that. I'm just playing. But first up, we do have Survey Junkie, or there are other survey apps that you can use. Me personally, I'm just gonna go off of what I personally do, what's been working for me. Y'all see I'm at 120 points right now. That's the equivalent of $1.20. Now you might be like, bro, that ain't no money. You see all these surveys? You see 70 points, that's like 70 cents for 23 minutes. Y'all can't see it because my gigantic head is in the way, but 125 points, 500 points, There's quick surveys. Hold on, my bad. Like this, a little 20 points for 5 minutes, stuff like that. And it all adds up, Now, obviously, you're not going to get selected for every survey. You want to be truthful on the surveys. It's not collecting your personal information. It's not requesting phone numbers and social security cards and driver licenses and that stuff. I wouldn't be sharing this with y'all. It does ask random general questions like, oh, what's your income? Now that's up to you whether you are truthful or not, right? But stuff like that, like, oh, did you graduate school? Do you have a degree? Stuff like that, so they can match you with better surveys. Surveys that fit you, that are actually going to reward you for your time. right? I think time is worth way more than money. So why not with the free time that we do have, that we are blessed with, you can just do a couple of surveys and get a couple of dollars from it. Now I will say, um, I'll show y'all that it's legit. I'll go to the rewards, and if you look on the right side of the screen, I be cashing out. I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. I wish it would have told me like the total of like how much altogether I done cash out so far. Cause normally when I hit $5, I cash out. I ain't gonna lie. I brother got stuff to do. I be needing that little $5. You know what I'm saying? I'm greatly appreciative of the $5. You know what I'm saying? But in order to cash out, you can cash out with your bank account or a PayPal account. Either or you could get a gift card. Now I ain't saying, I ain't gonna tell y'all what to do. I can only tell y'all what I be doing and what be working for me. So, like right now, like I said, I'm at $1.20. I need 380 points to go to get the $5. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit that. By the morning time, it's like 3:38 right now in the morning. I felt the need to. I just been having these thoughts of, why not just go create for yourself, man? Go make a video for yourself, But that's beside the point. We're gonna say that for another video. But today we are focusing on ways you can make money with no initial upfront costs, right? So this is the first one. Do a couple surveys, get paid for your time, and let it add up. The more you do, the more you're gonna make. And it's that simple. Number 2, I'm pretty sure y'all heard of this as well. Fetch Rewards. I know y'all like to shop. I know y'all be on the TikTok shop. I know y'all be on, y'all be shopping at the Shein store, Fashion Nova. Y'all be at the Foot Locker buying the latest J's, right? So, them receipts, I just hit the mic. Hopefully I ain't damage y'all ears. Them receipts, they come in handy. You know what I'm saying? I wish, matter of fact, let me not say I wish. I'm going to put a screenshot of my Fetch account and how much I done saved up in points from just scanning receipts, which you can return, or I should say you can, like I said, it's 3 in the morning and this is all off the fly, so let's focus, right? Let's tap back in. So you can use those points for rewards like gift cards, like $5 gift card to Target. Y'all like shopping at Target still. I know. Don't cap. I be seeing y'all in there. And I mean, I'll leave a screen recording on the screen of like all the different places you can get a gift card from. It'd be like $3 gift cards, $5 gift cards. You can even donate to charity on there if you feel like giving back. If it's on your heart to give back, you can do that as well. Ain't no shame in the game, you know what I'm saying? But if you're gonna shop anyway, like when you're buying your groceries or just buying miscellaneous items, make sure you save them receipts. Download the Fetch app, scan them, and get your rewards, man. Get your money back. You might as well. You spending money to not get any money in return. That's crazy. You might as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's number 2. Number 3, we gotta take it back. We got to get back. I don't know if y'all still even rock with them or not. I'm not sponsored, by the way. But if Plato's want to sponsor me, I done gave y'all more than enough. For real. Plato's Closet. Bro, I know y'all be sitting in your house, looking at your closet, looking at them worn down shoes, and you like, oh, I ain't got no use for this. Excuse the grammar. I don't have any use for these items anymore. So why not sell them? You know, see what you can get from it. And if you can't get any money from it, then just go donate it. To be honest, go give it to those in need. Open door mission. You know, give it to charity. You know, but if you are looking for some money for, like, you know, your sneakers, or you got a jacket you don't wear, but you paid a good amount, and you're like, oh, well, I really don't want to, like, you know, let this go to waste. You know, I would like to try and get a little something from it. Go to Plato's Closet. See what they talking about. And if I'm being honest, based off my experiences, they ain't gonna offer you a whole lot. But y'all know that. Like I said, this an old method that we renewing in 2025. But I say that to say, if you are in need of the funds, there are ways to get funds, you know? It just costs time. That's all it is. Fetch, not so much. That's not really time consuming. Because like I said, if you're already shopping, that's quick and easy. The minute you walk out the grocery store, you can just scan a receipt and boom, you get your little 25, 50 coins depending on what you buying in the store. They might even give you more. Oh, you bought a pack of Oreos? We finna give you 100 coins because you bought a pack of Oreos. Like, I might go back and buy 2 more packs. You know what I'm saying? But back to Plato's. See, the train had derailed. But it's all good though. But if you like, oh, I gotta, you know, I should say the method is this. The more clothes you bring, the wider selection they gonna have to, like, matter of fact, scratch that. Let me not say that. I should say, on your trips to Plato's, you want to bring at least 3 to 5 solid quality items for real. Like, you really don't want to give them no choice to, like, pass up on your stuff. Like, you want to bring, like, you know, not the stuff that's run down, you know, the stuff that got the holes in it, you know, your socks with the big toe popping out that your uncle done ran, you know what I'm saying, from last Christmas. You don't want to bring that. But if you got the little windbreaker, you got the little snapback that you was rocking back in 2005, you know what I'm saying, you bring that through. They might rock with it. You know, make sure the stuff is clean. Make sure it smells nice. It's quality. And you might get $5, $10 for it. Like I said, the payout don't be crazy. But this is just a way of, you know, bringing in some, you know, this might go toward your groceries. This might go toward that FanDuel habit that you got. I know. I see you. You know, been there, done that, you know. But like I said, we here to learn together. We here to grow together. And if y'all got any methods, that is a tongue twister for real. If y'all got any money making methods, that should be the title of the video. Money making methods with Manny. Manny's money making methods. Part 1. Say that 5 times fast. I give you $1. But like I said, if you know, if you really don't have the means right now, these are just some quick ways to bring in a couple extra dollars in your pocket. You know, I'm gonna do some more of these videos. Like I said, I'm learning all this stuff as I go. And I'm pretty sure y'all put me on to some new stuff too. I know y'all be on the TikTok. TikTok got a lot of information. You know, use it. You know, that's why they trying to get rid of TikTok. But that's another story. So if you enjoyed the video, you know, my first video on this brand new channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know, God willing, I'm thanking him in advance that, you know, I'm going to set the goal. By my birthday, in a couple of months, we gonna hit 1,000 subscribers. We gonna be monetized on this channel, and everybody gonna eat. I might even make a Discord. We all gonna eat together. You know what I'm saying? So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch y'all in the next Manny money making method video, or whatever y'all want to call it, man. Make sure y'all stay blessed, and make sure y'all stay prayed up. All right, peace.